Good morning students. Today we start new chapter number 7, glory of trees, or you can say magnificence or importance of trees. In this chapter we will study about worship of trees, about the Chipko movement, about the conservation of forest resources, about the park and sanctuaries found in Rajasthan, and about the food chain. So let's start the chapter. Many varieties of trees are worshipped on different occasions in our country, like Amla tree on Amla Navami, Peepal tree on Dashamata Vrat, Banyan tree on Vat Savitri Vrat, or many more. So why there is need to worship of trees? We worship trees to give a message and make effort to save them. The government has also started many programs for the conservation of the trees to save the forest. If we want to maintain the environment balance, we not only have to save the trees but also all the other organisms in our surrounding. If the forests are destroyed, then there will be a problem of food and shelter for the animals also. Our next topic is Chipko movement. There is an interesting story behind this movement. In this movement, women giving a message to save the trees. Once upon a time, in 1730 AD, the king of Jodhpur required wood for the construction of his palace. Therefore, he ordered his men to cut the khejri trees. The people belonging to the Vishnoi community living there, and they protested against it. The king men went to the khejri village to cut the khejri trees. But as soon as they started cutting the trees, Amrita Devi Vishnoi, here is the one woman named Amrita Devi Vishnoi, she hugged the khejri trees. Hug means he holded the trees and said, "First you cut me, then only you will be able to cut these trees." Similarly, other villagers also support her and did the same. But the king's soldiers don't agree with her, and they cut the khejri trees along with the villagers. Total 363 people, including Amrita Devi Vishnoi, sacrificed their life to save the khejri trees. In history, there is no other incident like this. So people took an inspiration from this incident and started the Chipko movement. They sacrificed their lives to save the trees because they know that trees and plants give us fruits, flowers, cereals, vegetables, wood, medicine, oxygen, and many more things. On today also, a fair is organized every year on Shukla Dashmi of Bhadpat month in September at Khejri village to pay homage to those who sacrificed their lives to save khejri trees. The Government of India also instituted an award, the Amrita Devi Environment Protection Award, to recognize the sacrifice of Amrita Devi. Our next topic is forest wealth conservation and the ancient tradition of Rajasthan. The community awareness in Rajasthan to save the environment is age old. The land area near the villagers is conserved by naming it after any regional god, goddess, saint, or a great person. So this land is known as Oran. What is Oran? The land area near the village is conserved by naming it after any regional god, goddess, saint, or a great person, and this land is known as Oran. The main reason for the conservation of grazing land grassland and oran is that the local people have a feeling of respect towards the environment awareness. There is laws also made by the government for these type of land. Due to the laws made by the government and the concern of the local people towards environment conservation, the grazing land, grassland and oran are conserved in the rural area. Similarly, in Rajasthan, the forest in different regions are conserved through various custom and tradition. You can also give your contribution in environment conservation, like on the occasion of New Year, on the occasion of your birthday, or on any other special day which you considered important. Plant one tree. Only plant one tree and make a resolution to raise it. Take care of it properly. In this way, we all together can save and conserve trees. So, next part of this chapter we will take in the next video.